Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 10 most common GMB problems. Watch this! Number one is not creating a listing. So a lot of people look in the Google 3-pack and then they can't figure out why they're not there. Well, they don't have a Google My Business. So you need to go to google.com/business and you need to sign up for a Google My Business. The second thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have the correct business hours. And a good place to put that is in your footer of your website or on your contact page. So you need to list the hours exactly the same way that they're listed in your Google My Business. Third thing is listing in the correct category for your business. You need to make sure that you have the right category. Now there's a tool, it's called Plepper. It will give you not only the category that you should be in, but it will also give you the additional categories that you should be listed in. And remember, for each category that you create in Google My Business, you need a page on your website for that category. Number four is you need to add photographs to your Google My Business. Take many, many pictures. Take pictures of your staff, of your office. You want to take a picture of your business card. Number six is asking for reviews. You want to ask your clients for reviews. You want to let them know to please include the city and the service that you provided for them, and please include my name. Number seven is respond to reviews. I can't tell you how many clients I take over their GMB and they have 100 or 50 reviews and they never responded to any. Number eight is using Google Posts. You want to make sure that you use a picture that best represents the keyword that you're trying to rank for. And on that picture, you want to brand that picture. Add your logo to that picture. Add your name, address, and phone number, and put the keyword, right? Whatever keyword you're trying to rank for. Write about 50 or 75 words and put a link going to that page. Duplicate listings. For some reason, businesses take over other businesses and don't realize, and they get two listings to the same business. So you can go into Google My Business and you can merge both listings into one. Number 10 is you want to make sure that you have consistent citations. And what Google does is Google takes a look at the information that you put in the Google My Business inside the GMB and then looks around the web and says, hey, does this information match? If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.